Well, hello folks, here I am again. Organic perfumes take time to blend with your body's chemistry. So unlike those perfumes that you go and buy in the shop and spray on and the aroma's there straight away, which is also sometimes a very fleeting experience, organic perfumes penetrate with the skin and go into the bloodstream. In a natural perfume, the scent takes time to unfold and harmonize with your body's unique chemistry. Just like flowers take time to bloom in a garden, each note in a perfume develops at its own pace. There, we learn something new every day. So just imagine your skin is like a flower. When you put an organic perfume on your skin, you have to wait for that flower to bloom and open. So don't get disappointed with the aroma straight away. Wait for the aroma to bloom. A natural perfume is a living essence, evolving uniquely on each wearer. Just as a flower doesn't rush to bloom, a fine fragrance reveals its beauty in its own time. Give it time when you apply it. You won't be disappointed. And your mind, body and soul will thank you. Welcome to Karoleen Natural Perfumes. Bye.